Okay. Okay. Good day, everyone. Thank you for coming into this YouTube channel, Trade Live with Precise Trader. Today is 19th November, and this is Asian session. And do take note of the risk disclosure. Day trading in foreign exchange is risky. Past results are not indicative of future returns. The content on this webinar is mainly educational purpose. Use your information entirely at your own risk, and you must assess the risk of your trade before you put in your trade. So with that, I think we proceed with our okay. Today, I think just give me a minute. Okay. Today we the key data that is be out tonight today is 1800 hours. We have pound monetary policy report hearings, and 21:30 we have Canadian CPI, and from the US I think we only have building permits. So again, today is also not much data involved. So expect the market to be a bit quiet. Okay, I mean I wouldn't say very quiet, but still I think the market should be moving, but I don't think we will be expecting a very big move. Okay, then the data. The trades we are open is we have gold short at 2624 half and trying to exit at 2618, and I think this trade we have already revised to cost. Then we are trying to do a counter trend. Okay, this is okay. Dollar yen is the trend, and 15405, that is a counter trend. And New Zealand is also a counter trend. Canadian is also a counter trend. Aussie is also a counter trend, and followed by dollar Swiss and pound. All these are counter trend trades. The scalping, all these are counter trend trades, and I'm not sure whether you want to take it, or if you feel you don't want, then it's okay. The scalping. Then the day trading is all with this trades all are with the trend. Okay, this is what we are trying to go with the trend. Then we also have some swing trading calls. Do take note. If you want, you can take the screenshot and also put in. So this week we are expecting the dollar weakness to come in, because there is no data, not much data out at the same time. This is all the dollar has been overbought, so we are expecting some corrections, and that's what we are seeing in now. Okay, with that, what I will do is we will go into our analysis, and like as I told you, every day this Asian session, we are going to talk about what is to be expected for the whole day. That means that would be something to look forward, so at least you can get yourself prepared and mentally prepared and go for the trade. So that would be the thing. And let's euro dollar. Okay, the euro dollar, what is to be expected today? Okay, this let me just change the screen. Okay, give me a minute. Okay, I need to reboot the thing. Okay, let me share the chart, then we reboot the thing. Just give me a minute, I reboot my system. Okay, while we are waiting for that, let's look into the chart. So euro, if you look into the chart, okay, because there's two ways. I mean, of course, we would always like to look into the system first, then finally come into the chart, because the chart would be your convincing tool, and finally, you can decide whether you want to go for the trade, or you want to skip that trade. Okay, so the euro now, right now, this is in a range on the weekly. Okay, let me this screen is ready. Okay, so let's see this. So what we need to do is we need to get the trend control. Okay, always remember, when we are trading. Okay, when we are trading, we need to have a plan. Without a plan, if you trade, I think there's no way you can be successful, or you can be want to trade for a living, especially, you want to be a full time, then there is no way you can do that. So you need to have a plan. Then you need to have alternate plan. That means in the event, if the market goes against you, then what you should be doing. Okay, of course, there are some steps to be followed, and there are some procedures. And what we do is, normally we would always try to get the trend control. Okay, we call it the control because the reason being is because we want to use the time as a more precise time. That means currently, what is the time that is controlling the trend? See, because we can have different way of analyzing, or different time frame. That means, long term, short term, medium term, immediate term, so on and so forth. So when we look into the trend control, we need to be very precise. What is the trend we are talking about, and how we are going to play the game? Okay, the next thing is we need to know the trade identifying, or trade identifier. So sometimes, when we identify the trend, like for instance, we are looking for a breakout, then finally, it become, or it just become a failure, then, you cannot be sticking to one direction, and, you lose money. So that would be the we need to identify the trade. Then of course we need to have a strategy. Okay, what strategy? That means, where we want to buy, where we want to take our profit, and so on and so forth. Then of course we need to have a trade plan. Okay, all this we need to be in place, then we can trade with comfortably. That means, in the event, if let's say the market goes against you, so you should know what to do. And if the market is not, when it's in favor, then what should you be doing? So you should be having all this in place, so at least, you can trade with comfortably. So let's do it, so at least you can see how a trade can be executed with plan and without plan. Okay, let's talk about euro. Okay, euro. Okay, if you look at it, the previous day, okay, it was an up day. That means the daily was up. Weekly was flat. Okay, weekly is flat, still flat. So since yesterday being an up day, okay, an up close, so there is a very likely chance that we may have seen the low, or we may have seen the bottom. Then if you look at your 360, this is also showing only green, candles, and white candles, meaning the market is already turned up, and we should be looking to buy on dips, hold buy. Okay, hold buy. And if you're going for a sell, then it has to be a quick sell. Okay, and this is how our trade plan is going to be. And of course, we are getting a clue that the buying level range should be near 105.65 to 106.10. Okay, the next clue we are also having based on the system is, since I'm expecting the price to move higher, so I expect the 106.10 to break. Okay, then I expect this 105.65 to hold, and expect the 106.10 to break. So this is the first step we have taken. That means I want to hold buy. Okay, register in your mind. Okay, euro dollar, I want to hold buy. If I'm going for a sell, then this is a counter trend, and this is going to be a quick sell and exit with a quick profit. Okay, this is going to be my trade identifying for the euro dollar. Then when I go into the PT zones, see, we use three different types of tools. Okay, basically we use trend map, we use the PT zones. PT zones is precise trader zone levels. Then we use a PT dashboard, precise trader dashboard, and finally we look into the chart. So we need to use all these four steps in order, so then eventually we can trade with confidence and with ease. So the next thing, when we look into the PT zones, the PT zones are the levels. Okay, basically these are a staircase to the price levels. So when you see, we have three boxes in different time frames. That means we have 6 hours, 12 hours, daily, weekly, monthly. So what does it indicate? Basically it tells us these three boxes are three steps, and when all the three are pointing in one direction, that tells you that the sentiment is very strong. Then we should only looking to buy and never go for a sell. If it's bullish, if you only looking to sell if it's bearish. So on the euro, we don't have much buying force come into play. So we only have one buying force. Okay, that is the clue that is giving us that this is lacking strength. Okay, that means we don't expect a very big move. We expect a very quiet and soft move. Okay, meaning very quiet. So, so overall is 720 daily are bullish. So we are going for a buy and hold. And if you're selling, then we got to sell. Okay, the next resistance is on the weekly. We have resistance at SR5. We call it SR5 because this is right 5. Okay, so here, so we need to exit before that, and that is a clue that it gives you a exit idea. Okay, so overall is, again, I'm going to buy and hold. If I sell, it's going to be a quick one, and buy and hold meaning I expect the previous high to break. So all this clue I have got from the system. So the next thing what we will be doing is, okay, we will compare the high and low. So at least that is the first step needed for us to decide on our stop loss. So usually, okay, when the price, when we see the price moving up and when we are going for a buy, so we concentrate on the low because that's where we put in our stop. So rule of thumb, okay, previous day low, okay, you see here the previous day low is 105.30, okay, and current day low is 105.85. So all I know is I should be looking to buy somewhere near the low. Of course, at the low would be the best, but of course, we have to be in the trade. So sometimes, we have to go for a buy somewhere near. So the buying level would be 105.75 and 105.55. And your previous day says there is a strong support at 104.55 and 105.60. So these are buying levels. So we look to buy at 105.60 or 45. So these are the two levels of buying. Then I expect the market to break the high, which is 106.10, and if it breaks, then I expect the price to move towards 106.40 and 106.60. Okay, 640 and 660. So let's confirm this with the chart. Then I think we are good to go on this trade. So if you look into the chart, okay, now I am looking at a 6-hour chart. So basically the chart is giving me the same answer what the system is doing. So that means market is expected to turn, and if I'm going to go for a buy, I should be buying near 105.65 or 105.55. 25, and my stop should be below 30 or 25. Okay, then I expect this high to break. If it breaks, then we should see 655 or 630 to 655, and that should be your call for euro. Okay, 640 to 655. So with that, like as I said, we are good to go on the trade. I think we have a daily signal here. Okay, the daily signal here, buying at 10560, and stop at 30, and TP at 640, and this one is expiry is 1830. So maybe the next time we see, probably we may extend this time. Okay, this is, and normally what we do is we put in the order. So every time when we meet up, we will try to adjust the levels or the time, and then we will still stick to the trade, and we keep going to the next time belt and next time frame, and that's how we do. And it will be much easier, especially when you are moving with the trade. Okay, just give me a minute. Okay, the gold is back to the, okay. So now, so now next thing is euro we have done. Okay, now just now you heard the sound as trade stopped out, which is gold. I think we have closed it at cost. I think we want to do it re-entry again. So that we will do it in 13 minutes time, because that is where the next time bells comes into play. So we are not in a hurry to trade that. Okay, now next thing is, okay, let's go on to the next trade. Okay, euro dollar. Okay, our view today. Okay, I've given our view today is we are a buyer. We are trying to buy near 105, 60, 65. Stop below 30 or even 525, and expect the high to break. If it breaks, then we may want to exit at 10640. So if it goes higher, then we may want to go for a sell for a counter trend. But as of now, I think we still want to go with the direction, and we just want to go for a buy. So the next thing is pound. Okay, pound, we look into pound. The same thing, we look at three different time frame. Okay, 360, daily, weekly. So your daily, weekly is flat, daily is also flat, and compared to euro dollar, if you notice, pound is weaker because yesterday wasn't a up day. So there's two ways which we can look at it. One is today might be the pound may do a catch up, or the market may still be looking for strength to come in. So this either way we can trade. So if you look into this, okay, like the key levels is overall is your 360. We have one bullish candle which is -2. That means two candles away we had a bullish. Then 12 hours the previous was bullish. So overall, right now this is in a range between 12640 and 12690. Expect the high to break. Okay, I repeat, expect the high to break, and we should be looking to buy somewhere near 12640. Okay, somewhere near 12640. So here, if you look into this, the PT zones are giving you the similar clue. Okay, but of course, this PT zones would also give us the target, target and exit point. So here, if I am going to go for an exit, then I should be looking to see the price moving higher, and I should see the price reaching daily RR2, So I'll show you the levels, what is the levels we are looking for. And your previous day has also taken support, so which is a good sign. So I think we should be going for a buy and hold for this instrument. Okay, now looking at this again, we have two forces holding support at 12630 and 50. So that means we should be looking to buy and hold. Okay, we should be looking to buy and hold. Expect the high to break. Okay, expect the high to break today, 12690, and we should see the price target towards 12730 and 745. Okay, minimum, yeah, about 730 to 745, and that should be your price target. So let's start off. The previous day low is 12605. So current low is 65. So I should be looking to buy somewhere near 40. So I should be looking to buy somewhere near 40 with the stop below 12600. Okay, 12600, and should be exiting at 12720 or 12740. So that is the system is giving us. So now let's look into the chart. Okay, your 360 has already started turning up. Okay, and I would want to buy at 665 or 45. Okay, with the stop below this candle. So this time belt we are expecting some pullback. So we'll try to buy near 45 or 55, and the target is 12720 here, 12720 and 70. Okay, I think the system is also giving us the same answer, 740 and 760 we got to exit. So we try to go for a buy at 55. Okay, 55 or lower. So let's see what is our price. I think we have put in an order to buy at 50, exit. Okay, I think this trade is good to go. Okay, this is good to go. And we are also having on the swing somewhere near and exiting at 12880. So which means that we are expecting the price to move higher. Okay. Okay, the next one we look at dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen, same way. If you look at it, weekly is all flat. Okay, in fact it's been flat for the last 4 weeks. That means literally for almost a month this market has been flat, because the swings were pretty wild, when we because of this Japan election came in, and a lot of activities happened within the last 1 month. So as a result, the swings were pretty wild and nasty. So that is the reason why we are getting this flat. So as of now, if you look into the daily, the -2 is red. So that means 2 days. That means not yesterday, the day before, there was a big drop, which is Monday. Was it? No, yesterday. Sorry, not yesterday. Friday. Sorry, Friday. So that was a big drop, and that is an indication that this market has turned down on the daily. So as of 360, we have 6-hour chart is showing within a range between 153.95 to 154.75. So the clue is we should be looking to sell near 154.75. Okay, that should be your selling level. Sell and hold. Okay, sell and hold. And if you are buying, if you buy, then you exit before 154.75. So there's 2 ways which we can trade this. Buy with a quick profit and sell and hold. Okay, and that should be our trade plan. So if you notice on this dollar yen, okay, we have a buying force coming into the 360, and all we know is this cannot go beyond RL2 or RR2. So these are the 2 levels of entry point we get. That means we should be selling near RL2 or RR2. Okay, now as far as 720 and daily is concerned, we have already seen the market turning down, and we should be seeing weakness when your daily RL1 breaks. So there's two ways which we can trade this. One is we can go for a stop sell at the weakness, and we should be looking to sell on pullback. So there's two ways which we can trade this market. So here again, if you look into your previous day, all the signals are mixed with weakness. So I think we are good to go on this this market. So here, if you notice, right now this market is trading at 43. Okay, right now it's trading at 43. All we know is there is a strong selling force on the daily below 155.00, 155.50, and the price should not exceed above 156 15 and 15640, and we should see weakness below 15420. So again on the daily, we are seeing weakness below 15475 and 155. So we should be looking to sell near that level, or putting our stop near that level. So, and also take note that your current day low is 153.95 and your previous day low is 153.85, which means to say that if 153.85 breaks, we are seeing a free fall on this market, and we should be able to see 153.25 and even lower. Okay, so with that, I think we can play this market on two aspects. One is try to sell, and remember I told you that we should not be seeing the price going beyond RR2 of 360. So which means we should not see the price go above 15510 and 15535, and for sure the market should be turning down before that, which is 15455 or 15480. Okay, so another thing is we want to put a stop sell at a different level, which I will also look into the chart, then I'll give you a confirmation. I think the stop sell should be somewhere 15415, because once below this, I think weakness is expected, and of course 153.85 has to break for us to give us that reward what we are looking for. Okay, let's do that. Okay, look into the chart. I think we should be able to put on this. Okay, now if we look into this, okay, let's see what is the time control. So at least we can get the much earlier entry. So your time control here is, okay, let me go into that thing. Let me see. Okay, it should be 120 or 240. So that should be your time control. So means right now this is 12. So we expect the strength for another one more hour. Okay. Then if let's say we are doing a 240, let me zoom in this, and we should we should not see the price going above 70 and 75 for sure, and 240 also ends at another 1 hour, so which is a good call. Okay, this is a very good sign and good call. So what we should be doing now is we don't expect the price to go above 75, so we want to sell this. So put an order to sell at 60. Okay, put an order to sell at 60, stop at 85, and TP we feel if today we are expecting the low to break, then we should be seeing the price hitting 153.30 and 153 0 0. Remember the system set 15325 is our target. Okay, so let's see this. So we can get 15260 also, so much lower. But I think we'll stick to our target as 153 30 or 25. Okay, so now what is our plan is, okay, this trade I'm a bit excited on this trade. Okay, let me see whether are we getting a confirmation on the crosses. Yeah, I think the crosses also giving us a signal. Okay, let me tell. I think this trade, I think it will be a huge opportunity. Okay, let's go for this trade. So what I want to do is, uh, I want to, okay, I want to sell at 60, stop at 90, and 5430. Okay, let me double check with the system. Yeah, 5430 is a weakness level. Okay, okay, let's do this. Okay, this trade I think should be a good trade to look at. Okay, let's do this. This is on the daily, because we are expecting this trade to be hold. We hold it. So we have put in a trade at 70 on the scalping. Uh, we have put in a scalping 70. Yeah. Okay, let that be. Okay, let me check the expiry of that. Okay, we have given ample time, and this is until 4. Okay, I think never mind. I think this 70, that would be a different trade. We will go this. We will go this trade with them, because I don't want to miss this trade. Okay, so here we want to. I want to sell at 15460. Okay, put a stop at 90, and this one I want to exit at 15330. That means I'm looking for a 130 pips move on this trade. Okay, so this one we will put an expiry 3 o'clock. Okay, just 2 hours from now. So we can trade this. Then we will put a stop sell. Okay, stop sell at 30. Okay, let's say we don't get the 60 filled. Okay, let's say we don't get the 60 filled. I also want to be in this trade. Okay, now let's assume the high is 55. Okay, 55. Okay, another order I want to put in is a momentum trade, and this one one five four, sorry, 15425, stop 15455, and this one the TP is 15360, 40. Okay, will be a very conservative figure, 15340. And this one, the expiry is for the next 2 hours. Okay, 2 hours. So what does it mean? Okay, I'll just repeat. I just want you all to manage this trade. So what we are looking for is, okay, we expect the dollar yen to turn down. Okay, so if your 5460 is filled, okay, if your 5460 is filled, then you can cancel this trade. Okay, I want you to cancel this because we don't want to take too much of risk. Okay, so if your 5460 is filled, cancel this the scalping trade, and we may give you a buffer entry which is a higher, that means slightly better level near 155052 for a re-entry. Then if your 5460 is filled and your 5425 is also filled, then the moment once both filled, then you should reduce this thing to cost and work on only this trade. So overall, we are expecting the price to move lower. So this is a big opportunity. So probably if you want to trade this, for those of you who are coming in first time, okay, you may want to try it out on a demo account or paper trade, meaning just write it down. This is where you put your entry, and this is where is your stop loss, and this is where your TP, and see whether the price moving towards that level. So if you make money, okay, we are also happy for you, and we also want to continue to work. Okay, so this is the trade we want to do. Okay, now since I said that the yen is strong, okay, we may want to do the yen crosses. Okay, that would be a big opportunity as well. So now let's look into the yen crosses. Okay, here the yen crosses, the same analysis we are going to see. So what we feel is, okay, weekly is flat, daily is flat, your 720 on the dollar yen is down, okay, your 360 is flat with the downside bias. So again, so if you notice this, we should be staying away from Aussie yen and I don't know what is this. Yeah, New Zealand yen. Okay, we should be staying away from New Zealand, these two, and the rest of the crosses we can trade. Okay, so we can see. You see how easy it is to pick the uh, thing. Okay, just give me a minute. So I think we should be selling the dollar yen. Instead of stop sell. Okay, give me a minute. Okay, just give me a minute. Okay, I believe that we may be, hold on. Okay, we may be seeing the yen turn earlier. So let's do instead of the stop sell. Okay, we try to sell at 40. Okay, you try to sell at 40. So let me go and change it. At least we can save that 15 pips. Okay, stop. I want to put a stop at 70, and this one the TP also stick to the same price. That means we'll see whether, and this is expiry is only 1 hour, so not even 1 hour. I think just put 30 minutes or 20 minutes and try to enter this trade. Let me also enter this. Okay, so we try to enter this, then you see either way, then if our stop order is filled first, then we cancel and I'll let you know what to do on this trade. So since we are sitting in front of the screen, I think we can trade this. Okay, the next thing, now coming back to the crosses. Let me change the screen. The, the crosses here, so we'll try euro yen, pound yen. Okay, we'll see where is it trading. Okay, okay, euro yen is 163.45, and the current high is 60. Okay, pound yen is okay. Let's look into the chart. Then we can get some idea. Okay, let's. Okay, I think we can hit euro yen also, because let me see. Okay, this is. Can put a stop at current high is 163.60. Okay, so you put a stop at 65 and enter at 45. Okay, enter at 45. Then expect this low to break. Then if it breaks, then we should see 295 or lower. Okay, try to enter this, please. Euro yen, we can go for a sell. Okay, so we'll try to sell at this is also a momentum trade, 45. $65 stop, and 162.80 is our target, and this is again uh, just give until 2 o'clock. Okay, don't give so much of time. Okay, and for those of you, if you call yourself an aggressive trader, if you want, you can hit the market. You don't have to wait for that price. So I'll let you decide. Okay, give me a minute. Let me put in this order. Okay, so the next trade we are looking at is pound yen. Pound yen, your current high is 195.85 and now is 60. So your current day low is 20. So we should see whether the price able to break that. Okay, let's look into pound yen. Okay, this is also in a similar situation. I think we can go for a sell. Target should be 194.95 and 85. Okay, let me see the system. Okay, the system is also giving at 95. Okay, 95. So this one also, if you want, you can go for a sell. Huh? Okay, this is 60. Sell at 60. Stop at, okay, pound yen. 195.60, stop at 85. Okay, you can put at 90, TP at 195. Okay, better. Okay, so this is also about 2 o'clock. Okay, I think my euro yen, the dollar yen is filled, I think, just now. Okay, hold on. Let me check on my system. Okay, so now we have uh, okay, I think dollar yen, I think I'll enter at market. I'll just enter at market 36. Euro yen also, I think I want to enter at market. Just fill the trade. It's okay. Let's just fill it. Okay, pound yen also fill at market. So we are holding three trades now. The stop sell. Okay, I need to give you an answer for the stop sell. Okay, the stop sell, I suggest you cancel first. Okay, cancel. So at least you don't want to take too much of risk. So now we are holding three trades. Okay, we are holding three trades: pound yen short, euro yen short, and dollar yen short. Okay, we don't want to go for an add-on trade because the price is too near. So unless that 154.60, that trade, let it work. Okay, if we see higher, then we will go for the trade. Okay, now let's go back to gold. Okay, because gold is. I just want to discuss the gold before we go off. Okay, so here, okay, gold. So if you look at gold, see, the unlike all the other markets, gold is showing a lot of strength. Okay, this is breaking previous day high and is trading above previous day high. So we shouldn't be looking to sell. You should buy and hold. Okay, the best thing is buy and hold. If you are going for a sell, it should be a cautious sell. Okay, I repeat. So buy and hold to see price moving higher. If you're selling, then it should be a cautious sell with the very limited stop. So now, when we look into daily, is showing is higher and the market is moving higher. 720 is also showing higher, and we have 360 is flat. Okay, flat with an upside bias. That means there is no selling force involved. So we should be only trading within this level, within 2610 half and 2655 half. So if we sell, we try to keep the stop above this with a quick profit, and if we buy, we got to buy somewhere near 2610. And let's see, we get any other lower level to go for a buy. Okay, there we have a 30-minute low which is 2619. Okay, 2619. So of course, if the 26215 and 2619 breaks, we should see some weakness or range trading. Okay, let's see on the PT zones. Okay, PT zones are showing a strong buying force coming into on the daily and 360, 720. So in fact, there is no selling force involved. So means that we got to be very careful if we are going for a sell. Then on the other hand, weekly we have some resistance to be seen, and the same thing, there is a lot of strength on the previous 360, 720 daily. Only the previous week we are seeing a resistance. So we need to find out what is the resistance on the current week and previous week. So here, this is gold. So below 15, if let's say below 15 or 18, weakness will be seen. So if you are selling, you got to exit before 18. Okay, you got to exit before 18 and try to go for a buy at 2615 or 2618. So these are the buying levels. Then on the other hand, yeah, 15 and think 10 half. Okay, these are the buying levels. So we shouldn't be going for a sell. If you are going, then you have to be exiting fast. So now let's look at the targets. So now we see the target we can go up to is 2644, 2653. Okay, somewhere between 26, even if we can take it as 2635, 2635, 2644, 2653. So these are the three levels of target. I think this one also says 33, 41, 44, 53. So that is where we should be holding sell. So in fact, 42, there is a strong resistance, 53 is a strong resistance. So that means to say that this price, what we are seeing up, okay, what we are seeing up, we should be that means buy and hold, we should exit somewhere near 42 or 53. So these are the two levels. Okay, let me see on the chart. Okay, let's okay, so now we have seen, so the next resistance level is 27. So right now this is consolidating. So once it breaks this, we should see an extension towards 5180. Okay, 5180. And let me see the okay. I think we should see the price moving towards somewhere near 44 or 52 before the market starts to turn down. So here, how we can play this this game is, uh, we expect this choppiness to happen at least, let me see, I can give you the time. So at least next 2 to 4 hours. So that means we can see, okay, I think we should be looking to buy somewhere near 16 with a stop below 12. So so this is how you expect this price to move with the next within the next 2 hours, 2 to 4 hours. So it's going to be choppy, that means it's going to move within this channel, like move up, then come down, then, unless, I mean, we are expecting this low to break, then, comes down, then start to turn up. That would be the best thing we are looking for. But honestly, I'm not sure whether we would be seeing the price hit this channel, then come down. Okay, but as of now, expect a very quiet session. I don't want to do this. If I go for a sell, then I got to do a cautious sell with a quick buy. Okay, so that means I try to sell somewhere near 24. Okay, now is 127. Okay, 127. Okay, let me see what is the, if this high breaks, we should be going for a buy. Yeah, if this high breaks, if it doesn't, then we should see, if this low breaks, then we should see the price coming down, then start to turn up. Okay, so that is what we are expecting. So the signals I can give based on this. Okay, we have a buy signal at 13 half. Okay, we have a buy signal at 13 half, and the target as 32. Okay, let me see. Yeah, 32 looks okay. So the only thing is that 13 half might need to raise it to 15 half. So this one, we want to raise it to 15 half, and the stop about 11 half. Normally we don't take risk more than $4 to $5. Okay, and the TP is 2632, and we put expiry until 1830. So we will wait for this time. Maybe the next Europe session, if you come in, then I should be able to give you a clear entry for that. Then on the other hand, since the market has already stable, so we can go for a short. I think early on it got stopped out again, so maybe we may want to re-enter again this. Okay, put a limit sell at 2624 half, put a stop at 26 half and 2619. Okay, this is just a $5 move, and this is only for 1.5 hours, and this is a counter trend move. So if you if you want to, this is no obligation whether you want to take this trade. So if this is if it's if it's filled, if you want to take, you take. Otherwise, it's no obligation on this. So then the next thing is, of course, if the high breaks, then we may want to go for a buy. Okay, that one, I think you have to wait for the signals, and you have to register with us. Then only, you see, all this, whatever we are putting in, you see, when we are discussing, we are sharing with you all the signals. But when we are not doing any live discussions, we will still be trading, and we would be giving signals. So that is, if you really want to get this, then you have to come and register into our website, Precise Trader, and of course it's free. Okay, it's free, and we are having we are giving a promotion to YouTube users. So that is one thing. And for those of you who are coming in first time, okay, if you feel that this our system is worth considering to learn, because I'm sure you all have been doing looking at the charts for many years. Okay, let me tell you this. Okay, I'm also a trader, for 30 years, and I know what are the problems a trader faces, especially, like when you look into the chart, it's very tempting, to take trades, and you tend to lose money. That's the reason why we have developed this system. Okay, and we have spent a lot of money, and we have spent more than 20 over years doing this R&D for this system. So finally, we are there to share it with the public. Okay, and one more thing is, from tomorrow we are also starting a new version. Okay, that is we are going to do it Tamil version. This is tomorrow. I believe it's about 15 1500 hours. So from tomorrow onwards, most likely, okay, we will be doing 3 to 4 sessions per day. So there is plenty of opportunity, plenty of discussions to be done, and plenty of markets we look at. So the only thing I request is, okay, please subscribe to the service, and give us a like, and please recommend your friends. Okay, so whoever in your this similar trade, I'm sure you are trading, so bring them along, tag them along, so at least we can grow big, and at the same time we can do a lot of discussions. See, the bigger the group, I think the more we can discuss, and the more the opportunity. So we are also planning to start soon, on trading on Dow Jones, Nasdaq, and S&P. So I'm not sure whether you're trading that. That is also another venture to look at. So once again, thank you for coming, and looking forward to see you again later during this US session and Europe session. And if you feel we have done something, of course you wait for your trade outcome, then you would know. I mean, it's all with confidence. We need to have a lot of knowledge, confidence. So that is, and especially, you need to learn how to control your emotions. Okay. Okay, thank you. See you again later at 1700.